Hello and welcome to Learn English Together. Today, you are starting a beautiful journey. This lesson is for beginners. If you feel shy, slow, or scared to speak English, this lesson is for you. You do not need perfect grammar today. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need one thing: the decision to practice. English is a skill, and every skill grows with practice. Not with fear, not with silence, only with practice. How to learn English correctly. Many learners feel stuck because they learn in the wrong way. They only watch videos, they only read grammar rules, but they do not use English in daily life. To learn English correctly, you need 4 habits. They are: first, listen daily. Listen to simple English videos or conversations like news channels, English movies, or English podcasts. Second, repeat daily. Pause the video and repeat the sentences aloud. Why should you repeat the sentences? Because repetition helps you understand natural and correct English. Third, speak daily. Talk to yourself about your day in English. Only listening and repeating is not enough to speak English. If you want to speak English confidently, speaking practice is very important. Fourth, use new words in your own sentences. Do not only memorize words, use them. Language grows when you use it. Now, I will teach you simple grammar for speaking English. You do not need heavy rules. You need useful patterns. Present tense. Use this for daily life. Examples: I wake up early. I go to work. I study English every day. Past tense. Use this to talk about yesterday. Examples: I studied English yesterday. I watched a video. I learned new words. Future tense. Use this to talk about plans. Examples: I will practice English tonight. I will watch one video tomorrow. I will improve step by step. Do not try to learn all grammar today. Use simple tenses. Speak simply. Clarity is more important than complexity. Now, I will say common daily English sentences. Pause the video and repeat after me. I am learning English. I am not confident yet, but I am trying. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you repeat that? I did not understand. I am practicing every day. I will try again. I am improving step by step. Mistakes help me learn. I am not afraid to speak. Continue with more simple sentences for daily use about morning routines, work, feelings, plans, learning, asking for help, thanking, and apologizing. Repeat each sentence slowly and clearly. Practice these sentences every day. Your confidence will grow. Do not try to sound perfect. Try to sound clear. Speak slowly. Open your mouth clearly. Do not rush your words. Listen and repeat. This is the best way to improve pronunciation. Record your voice sometimes. Listen to yourself. You will notice improvement slowly. Your accent is not a problem. Your message is more important than your accent. Here is a simple 60-day plan. Every day, listen to English for 10 minutes. Repeat 5 sentences. Speak about your day for 5 minutes. Learn 3 new words and use them. Do this daily for 60 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. Consistency builds confidence. Small steps create big change. You do not need to be fast. You need to be consistent. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you will feel tired. Practice on both days. Your English will improve. Not in one day, but over one journey. Thank you for learning with me on Learn English Together. We are not perfect. We are learning together.